tool to create wealth from figments of your imagination. It is a software development system that requires no programming experience. It lets you help others fulfill their computer needs, and they will pay you. It can be learned in days and provide professional income for the rest of your life. Let us explain how. This is the Bridge Wow presentation. We hope we can enlighten you why it is in your best interest to learn all about Bridge. Bridge is a powerful platform that allows you to develop Windows applications for accounting. It allows you to develop web platforms. It allows you to develop e-commerce solutions. It allows you to develop web services. It allows you to control data and accounting and manage businesses and personnel. It is a full net framework development for Windows. It runs locally and through the web. It can create ASP.NET forms. It can make Silverlight forms and reports. It is an e-commerce client development environment and much more. It is the most powerful development environment ever conceived. It can also work with all other existing applications. With all this power, why is Bridge so great? Because you can develop without programmers. Yes, you and your associates, saving you time, money, and yes, giving you more quality than has ever been there before. Indeed, Bridge makes literally all existing software solutions obsolete, and it is easy. What does programmer-less mean? No code. No code to maintain. Making changes without code. Speedy development. Bugless development. Instant development. Bridge applications can write to any database, such as PostgreSQL, Access, SQL, Oracle, MySQL, QuickBooks, and many others. This allows you to save money with the many free databases available. This allows you to use the database that is best for the situation or least maintenance hassle. Bridge will move your data from one database to another with the click of a button. Again, no programmers needed. It creates new tables automatically and migrates the data because Bridge drivers are smarter than those that everyone else uses. Bridge is the most portable development platform because all programs can be deployed in different environments and on different databases without changing anything. And they move to new ones when needed. You are not locked in. Bridge forms automatically start directing their information to new databases. This costs thousands of dollars on other platforms. This spells freedom for you. Bridge forms likewise control and create data tables in any database. We call it auto-binding, for fields create table elements automatically. If a Bridge form sees no table to write to, it will just simply create it. If the field is missing, it adds it. This sounds too simple. No, it is too smart. Because of auto-binding and auto-migrating and auto-table creation, Bridge is flexible. Stephen Covey said, "Begin with the end in mind." Well, in business, that is not always practical. New business ideas are based many times out of trial and error, experimentation and discovery. You can evolve the application as needs become apparent, adding fields to the forms as needed, and removing or turning invisible fields not wanted. It is simply magic. And all this without programmers and code. You are now working smarter, not harder. We are accomplishing net applications without the work. You do not have to have things perfect on day one. You are free to try things without breaking your business model. We remove the straitjacket you are definitely wearing. With this speedy ability, you can literally clone or create applications like others you see without buying any code. And Bridge will move existing data for you. or you can just add flexibility to existing applications. This lets you make custom forms for QuickBooks, or if needed, recreate whole QuickBook apps and migrate away from QuickBooks. Bridge is learned in hours, not years. Anyone can learn, for it is easier than a word processor, reports, forms, Windows, or web. Have your new form in use in less than 30 minutes, self-documenting so you can try things. We can also email data to any server in the world because Bridge provides a data mail server. This works with forms or HTML web pages. You can let the mail server add a copy of your customer record to a form in another Bridge application elsewhere in the world. This is a special web service, so again, no programmer required for a complicated network need. You can absorb data from Excel or send data to Excel. You can make an Excel template and treat it as a report for Bridge, even though Bridge gives you a drag-drop report generator. But it supplies source code if programmers want to tweak it. We can also use Word for reports or online signature documents. Bridge also works with all third-party report generators, but you can get information collections without knowing the SQL query language. Bridge provides dialog boxes for filtering and ordering. All this makes development nearly free. Is free inexpensive enough for you? We are telling you not only that it is free, but that it will save and make you money continually. But that is not enough. We want to make you rich. Share our knowledge so your ideas pay you. You and others can think of needed applications and implement them swiftly. Our motto is, to think is to create. These ideas become application that others are willing to pay for, or web services that can go from basement to billions of dollars. So please, do not paint yourself into a corner with any other of the many ridiculous systems on the market. Free yourself from expensive databases, program languages, programmers, ridiculous development cycles. Bridge event tasks allow replacing code with pre-programmed pills that apply to events that Bridge has waiting to execute them. You drop the task pill onto the event and you are done. Drag, drop, codelessly. Let today be the first day of the rest of your life. Remember, good is the enemy to great. Bridge software tools are great. They are the next generation rapid application development environment. We claim all other platforms are basically obsolete. Genius is the ability to make complex things simple. Bridge is genius. And with its genius, we want you to make million-dollar applications, and we want to help you market them. Because there is no cost of goods sold once the design is complete. The secret to Gates' fortune. Let us help you create a billion-dollar web service out of a virtual basement. There is room for many .com billionaires. We want to let our turnkey e-commerce tools do that for you faster and on a small budget. Ironically, we can create faster than they can steal, and steal faster than they can create. Steal faster than create. This lets our web services rock and fortifies the statement, to think is to create. Partner with others to create million-dollar applications or billion-dollar web services. Start by letting us pay you richly for telling others about our amazing products. We will help you create million-dollar partnerships as well. Discover the benefits of an abundance, not scarcity mentality.